I'm Rich Noonan from Best of the Best, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today.
Today on Best of the Best, the story of I Need the Plumber and Air Conditioning, a great American small family business success story, and the #1 rated plumbing company on the Treasure Coast of Florida with simply outstanding customer reviews. The owners are an awesome couple who work night and day to build an awesome company that could be the subject of an MBA course on how to run a small business the right way. Congratulations to Martin and Maritza Carpenter and the team they value so much at I Need the Plumber and Air Conditioning in Port St. Lucie, Florida, on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for going above and beyond for customers with decades of experience on this team. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are profiling that company. Martin and Maritza did not hire us to produce this video. They knew nothing about it. As we researched plumbing companies in this part of Florida, we found several companies larger than I Need the Plumber and Air Conditioning for sure, but none with the quality of customer reviews. Customers simply love this team, which is probably why they have so many repeat customers. I Need the Plumber and Air Conditioning does all kinds of plumbing and HVAC, you name it. They work on all brands. They have great financing options. They are sticklers for detail and respecting their customers' money and time. For example, they give customers a 2-hour window, not a 6-hour window. They call when they're on the way to tell the customer exactly when they will be there. They're clean-cut, well-trained, NATE certified guys who truly care. The owners have kept this company small enough to control quality. Martin runs the operations, Maritza runs the office and business side, and they're very transparent with their team. They have weekly meetings with their guys and they show them the numbers. Very few companies do this. Every member of this team knows what's happening with the business financially, and they feel like an owner. That is so refreshing. Martin always says, treat that person like they will be your last customer if you don't take care of them. And that level of service is rare and special. All of that is great, but remember at Best of the Best, we care most about our independent research and recent reviews from real clients. It's all about the reviews. The reviews about I Need the Plumber and Air Conditioning are simply awesome. Across every credible review site, please read them for yourself. Customers rave about every aspect of dealing with this team, from the first phone call to the completion of the job. So many reviewers mention team members by name. They love the responsiveness, the fair and transparent pricing, how respectful the guys are in their homes or businesses. They work very clean, and they have very well-stocked trucks, so they're not running all over the place to get parts. Most important to us, though, customers love the honesty and integrity displayed by everyone at I Need the Plumber and Air Conditioning. These are good people who you can trust. Finally, at Best of the Best, we really value companies that give back. The owners and their team at I Need the Plumber and Air Conditioning have big hearts. They've quietly given back to many people and organizations in this part of Florida over the years. They truly care. We love that too. Congratulations to everyone at I Need the Plumber and Air Conditioning in Port St. Lucie, a small family business that beats the big companies every single day with awesome customer service. On this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day, the right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.